Hey everyone, this is Ben with RegisteredNurseRN.com, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the salary of a dental assistant. I'm doing a whole series on healthcare salaries right now. My previous two videos included a dental hygienist and a general dentist, so if you're interested in those salary figures and requirements, check those out. But in this video, I'm going to give a quick overview of what a dental assistant actually does, as well as the education requirements to enter this field. And I'm going to give some interesting statistics here to help you out. Now, first of all, if you want to become a dental assistant, it takes about 1 year of schooling. It's usually done through a 1-year program through a community college or a technical school or something like that. And you usually go into that school, it takes about 1 year. Then after that, you can take an actual license. Some states require you to be certified, but that does differ depending on the state in which you live. You usually have to pass a certified dental assistant exam in order to do that. And when you graduate from a 1-year program, you'll get either a diploma or a certification. Not a degree. You usually have to go for 2 years to 4 years to get an actual degree. But that's what the general education requirements are to enter as a dental assistant. Now, what does a dental assistant actually do on a day-to-day basis? Well, these individuals tend to work with patients to help them comfortable. They will introduce themselves, help you get set up in the area. They will sterilize dental tools and instruments. They will prepare a work area. Say you're having some kind of procedure done, and they will set up the area for the dentist. They will keep your mouth dry by suctioning out with the hose. They will sometimes process x-rays, keep records, and sometimes even schedule appointments. That's typically what a dental assistant does on a day-to-day basis. Now let's talk about money. How much money can you make? Well, all these figures that I'm getting ready to tell you about come from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and they are average numbers. That doesn't mean, what that means is that some will earn higher, some will earn less. It just depends on the state in which you live, your experience, the industry in which you work, and so forth. So just keep that in mind. But according to the BLS.gov, the average hourly wage was $17.43 in the United States. The average salary, $36,260. Now they're projecting a 25% growth rate for this profession between years 2012 and 2022. So probably a lot of jobs will be opening up throughout that time. Now, let's talk about some of the industries with the highest levels of employment. In other words, which industries tend to hire the most dental assistants? Number one, offices of dentists at $36,270 was the average salary there. And that makes sense because that's typically where you're going to work, right? Also, offices of physicians at $33,760. That came in at number two. And then number three, the federal executive branch at $39,460. Now, what were the top paying industries for dental assistants? Number one, specialty hospitals paid the most at $40,550. Insurance carriers at $40,370. And then finally, state governments at $39,850. Now let's talk about states, because depending on the state in which you live, you could earn quite a bit or maybe a little less. Well, first of all, New Hampshire came in at number one for the top paying state at $44,580. Alaska was number two, $43,550. And then Minnesota at $43,160. What were the three lowest states? Utah came in at number one at $28,670. West Virginia at $29,280, and then Louisiana $29,830. Now again, I just did a video on dental hygienists. They make quite a bit more, and it only requires about a year or so of extra schooling. So this is a great place to start if you're interested in dentistry and maybe want to work your way up, maybe eventually become a dental hygienist, maybe even a dentist eventually. But again, not bad at all considering the schooling required. So that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out our other videos or consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.